常高兴，我们其实不是第一次跟资本链接合作办论坛，但是是一次这次是深度的合作。那么我们也是在熟悉他们的办会的模式，所以呢，这一次邀请了很多我们的尊贵的嘉宾，但是可能招呼不周，请大家多原谅。他们因为是一个学术性的松散型的这么一个会议组织模式，水平非常高，但是可能组织模式跟我们以往的论坛可能有所不同，请大家多见谅啊。好 ，OK。I think most of you, I'm sure, know China EXIM Bank very well. So I will try to make it shortly, give a brief introduction of my bank only. Okay. China's EXIM Bank, we established in 1994, and we are a Chinese government's policy bank, under the direct leadership of the State Council. And our rating is the same as the sovereign rating of China. And China EXIM Bank, we have 32 business branches in the domestic and Hong Kong office right now. And in overseas, we have Paris branch and 5 offices in South Africa, Morocco, Poland, Chile, and Russia. And our business, cover more than 160 countries and regions. And as to the end of 2022, the bank's total on and off balance sheet assets exceeded RMB 6 trillion. Our mission is to promote the import and export of Chinese mechanical and electronic products and high-tech products by providing policy financing, and encourage Chinese companies with the comparative advantage to undertake offshore construction contract and overseas investment project. As you know, the Road and Bridge Forum is also going on this week. We are the main bank provide financial support to road and bridge project. And our main business, I may say, all kinds of business, include commercial bank can provide, China EXIM Bank can provide it also. And first, it's well known for government's concessional loans. That was the cooperation between the government to government. Especially, we now have a lot of big amount to Africa and Latin America, also Mid-Asia. And the most I want to introduce is the export sellers credit and the export buyers credit. As you know, the export sellers credit is for the Chinese company. I mean, in our ship business, that's for the shipyard. And those was, for the export of Chinese products such as ship and high technology industrial products. Also, the overseas construction project and investment project. And we provide the export buyer's credit to those who import the comparative goods from China, such as ship. And the export buyer's credit, normally it is a medium and long-term credit provide, to foreign borrowers. And as I said, it was going to support the export of Chinese capital goods, service, and overseas contract project. And the borrower can be the Ministry of Finance or other authority from the local country. And also it can be the importer's bank. And it also can be the importers itself. And the currency can be US dollars or other currencies acceptable to China Exim Bank. And such as, I may stress you can consider to apply for RMB loans to the project. I think, it may be a good choice, since for US dollar, the interest is quite high, And the interest rate is SOFR plus margin, For this margin, it depends on the, the quality of the, the project, also the borrowers itself, and also the structure of the financial model. And we can provide not exceed of 85% of the total contract amount. And if in case of the ship export contract, we provide no more than 80%. And security, and it was required, for example, insurance or pledge and some guarantee. There is fee for management fee and commitment fee, legal fee, and risk premium. And of course, excellent reputation and stable cash flow can give confidence to our bank for the repayment. I will tell you one example. There is once I have a project with the Germany ship owner named Peter Dollar. I think most of you know this company. During the COVID-19, the market is not good, and they suffered a lot, and even the ship, the value of the ship, cannot cover the amount of the loan, and the Peter Dollar, they keep on, pay the facility, and also, they applied from my bank to, make some post, and for the interest. Of course, we also support them. We approve that. And they keep on, they didn't say, oh, we can't pay it anymore. We are going to block out, And they give us a lot of, confident on those, reputation ship owner. Such like this, ship owner, we are very willing to provide, financial support to them. I think today we have also very good client and partner from the to join the forum. I think we will have a good cooperation in the future also. And for the transport sector, as to the end of 2022, the outstanding balance of the bank loans to the transport sector stood at over USD 222 billion. That's the second amount of the international peers. And we have a specially transport finance department in Shanghai branch, and our balance outstanding of the Shanghai branch for the transport sector, is 44.5 billion RMB. And we provide service to the renewed clients, including ship owners from home and abroad, nearly 40 countries only in the Shanghai branch. And that's some examples, for the project we already financed. I think most of the named, shipyards are our clients. We will have the, the introduction there. You can have a look when the tea break. Okay, for this part, I will just go through. And for the, the large cruiser ship, project, I especially want to mention is that this is the first, domestically built large cruise ship project for China, and they are going to have a ceremony during next month. The Import Explore forum. And please do not hesitate to contact with us if you have some cooperation advice, and also you have any questions. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for coming.